What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the altcoins. I want to show you a chart setup that I think is going to be really bullish, and you might even say alt season could be back. So let's dive into this video and check it out.
Trade Genius.
Guys, really quickly, our specials are running through Christmas, so I encourage you guys to check out our bundles at tradelikeagenius.com. And just something to show you guys, when you sign up for this package number one, that's a 12-month package. Again, nothing out there is going to come close to that in value. But look at these charts that you get. This is going to come to you in an email telling you that there's a buy signal on here. And you know the rules, buy at the bottom of the channel. But you know, this is just in the last 24 hours to 48 hours, we've gotten these signals that come in, and you can see like here's another one on Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash SV. We got a nice one here and a nice one here. Again, we're looking for those on the bottom half of the channel here, and just a lot of decent returns right now in the alt market. So you get an alert, you go to your chart, and if it matches the setup that we talk about, you get those. And again, guys, this is the kind of stuff that will pay for your membership really quickly. So anyway, these come to you in the email. If you get that package number one, these signals do. All right, and you can act on those. Now, what I wanted to show you guys on the altcoin chart. So this is the market cap of altcoins. And basically what we have going on is this huge, gigantic descending wedge. So this is kind of encapsulating most of the move down from the all-time highs back in January, just a year ago, right? So pretty rapid sell-off in the alt market. People thought alts were back when we had this move up here that topped out in May, but that was quickly reversed and we continued lower. So now what we have is now we're starting to poke out above this trend line, and on decent volume, you can see the volume down here is picking back up. And we have a decent candle here on the daily that's closing, looking to close above that trend line. So this, guys, nice bottom formation down here. This actually looks really bullish. Now, obviously, we've got some headwinds. If we zoom out, you're going to see some high volume nodes here, especially this big one here. So, you know, we'd be looking at probably hitting our head in the support area here if we draw this line here on the horizontal line. And this is kind of what I wanted to show you guys. So, you know, heading toward that 85, 87 billion mark on market cap is probably going to see some resistance initially. Actually, I'd probably like to, yeah, probably about 80, 84, 85 billion, okay? Run into some resistance there, and then you're going to get into that volume node. So it'll be interesting to see how that reacts. You also have the 200 period moving average coming down. A lot of times, again, that's going to get retouched at some point on a downtrend. We're also breaking above our two faster moving averages, which is very bullish, especially when it happens before they cross up. So I like the move. I like the V move. Those are very bullish signs. Again, though, we're looking for this to continue up into this 85 billion market cap. So there's decent upside if you're looking to start getting into the altcoins. There's going to be, I think right now is probably a really decent time for getting into the buy setups. And if you look at the price range from now till then, we're looking at like a possible 48% run across the market cap space on altcoins. So good time. I think that things are setting up nicely. And so if you're been interested in getting into cryptos or trading cryptos, I think now's probably setting up for a good risk reward opportunity, and we can sign up and we can get you those signals. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to point that out. I think very bullish. Kind of had eyeballed this formation for a while, but was kind of waiting to see what would happen as we got to the top of it. Because we certainly could have bounced down and maybe made one more run lower, but that's not happening. We're breaking out. So good to be aware of these things, guys. The next immediate test is going to be around this 75 billion cap mark, but I suspect really for that to break, and we're actually really going to see some activity up to the 84, 85 billion market cap area. So anyway, there it is. That's what I think is going to happen going forward here. But a lot of positive movement right now going on in crypto. Next video, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and the price action and look at those levels that are going to come into play most likely in the upcoming week. But crypto's trading non-stop through the holidays. It's not like the traditional market, so we could see some pretty decent price action here going into the new year. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.
Trade Genius.